All right, I'm gonna try to keep the intro short today. So today is back in bicep day. We're gonna train really hard, train to failure, obviously, because that's just how we like to train. So yeah, and also trying to get better at recording. I'm trying to get better at the angles that I shoot of me lifting, and I'm trying to put down the downtime, like trying to make the video shorter. So I'm working on it, but I'll get there. I'm trying to work on the editing. Let me know if y'all would like music over, like of me lifting, or would you just like it raw? So would you just like it just no music? But let me know if you'd like music over it, because yeah, I'll do that if you would. And to my 11 subscribers, absolutely love you. So all right, let's get into the lift though. All right, so we oh, shit hard. Anyway, we skipped, well, we didn't skip it, but I didn't record most of my warm-up because I'm trying to make the video shorter. So, but yeah, I'm still warming up. I'll record a little bit of it, but here you go. Absolutely. We're gonna add a bit more weight, and that's gonna be our working set, top set. Let's get it. All right, I'm gonna lie with you. We just had to go take a dookie in between sets. That was absolute L. But let's get this shit anyway. So we back. It's gonna be the top weight. Well, something like. But anyway, let's get it. Absolute dub. Let's get into the next set. All right, next set, we're gonna keep as good as form as possible. With somewhat heavy weight for me. So yeah, we're gonna try to keep good form, and we're gonna half rep it out when we can't. So let's get it. On to the next. All right, we dropped the weight, so we're gonna get some squeeze reps in here. Let's get it. Yep. All right, we dropped the weight again. So we should really be able to get some squeeze reps with this one. All right, let's get it. Absolute dumb. Alright, I don't know what that posing was, but don't care.
onto the next exercise. All right, before we go on to the next exercise, I'm just gonna check the pump real quick, see what we're working with. After, you know, one exercise, just back rows, that's it. And then, yeah, we'll go to the next exercise after just a few posing. But yeah, just see what we're, my God, I like bloated. Oh well. All right, I just felt that last pose was absolute out, but oh well. On to the next exercise. So usually we do dumbbells with this movement, but we've kind of grown out the 25s because that is literally way too light. So we just go to straight bar and do it. I mean, it's just as good really. So I can just load more weight this way and it feels better, and I get a better pump. So, and I don't have to do a million reps. So yeah, we're gonna do this. So let's get it. All right, 2 more sets of this to absolute failure, then we're good to go. Almost tripped over my weight, but we don't worry about it. A drip of sweat has just dropped. All right, we can do one more set of that, but we're not gonna record it because it's gonna make the video way too long, so. So we're gonna do a bit of lower back because that is where we're lacking. I want to get thickness in the lower back because every time I pose, it's not really where I want it to be right now. So we're gonna do, low-key forgot what it's called, but I'll show you. So yeah, I'm gonna get into it. All right. All right, first let's get in. All right. I know some of you are gonna disagree on that movement, which is okay. You know, you don't have to do it, but it's just something that I personally like, that for me builds the lower back really well. Damn, we out of breath, boy. Okay, but no, we're not doing that. So yeah, it's pretty good. So we're done with back. We're gonna go to biceps. So we're gonna do a bit more posing, just see what we're working with. So that's what we're working with so far. But we're on the boat. We're gonna get bigger. So that wraps it up for back. We're gonna hit biceps now. The good old 25s. Good old hammer curls, son. All right, guys, that is the end of the workout for biceps and back. We did not do no bicep posing because too skinny for that. But anyway, like I said, go out there, chase your dreams. You know, do whatever it is that you want to do. Don't worry about what anyone says, you know, because you're doing you, and at least you're trying, and they're not. So a hater will never be doing better than you. That's for sure. But all right, I'll see you in the next video, which is hopefully tomorrow. Tomorrow's legs. How exciting is that? All right, see ya.